I'm Miss Hodgson. I'm an English music and drama teacher based in London, and I've got lots of activities and things for you to do at home. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to play If You're Happy and You Know It on the ukulele. Now, you just need 3 chords for this song: C, F and G. If you're not sure how to make those chords, there's a link in the box below that you can follow and teach yourself at home. Now, if you don't have a ukulele at home, that's fine. You can just join in with singing and doing the actions. Okay, here goes. It starts on the chord C. If you're happy and you know it, shout we are. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout we are. Well done everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. Have fun today at home and I'll see you soon. Bye.